It's been a long time since we made a video. Finally good to be back making videos again. Oh my gosh. AI video is currently taking over at the moment and people are creating some incredible pieces of content out there. And also this technology is also very accessible for everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you my workflow when it comes to creating AI video from the different tools that I use and how I use them to actually creating the video and putting it all together. Hi everyone, I'm Jared. Welcome back to the Onwards project, and we all start this journey by going to our favorite tool, ChatGPT. You can also use other tools like Bing Chat, and there's loads of free other ones out there, but I like using ChatGPT. You want to write a prompt which kind of dictates what you're trying to do. In this case, I'm trying to make a sort of a 15-second short video about a specific topic, and I want it to create a storyboard for me. And in particular for this storyboard, I wanted to add also an extra column which shows and gives me some sort of keywords to represent the images that could be used to create this very short story. In this case, I want a very simple AI video. I just want to show a city waking up early morning in the day, and I'm gonna put it in sort of like an anime kind of style. So once I have this storyboard created on ChatGPT, I can see kind of how it wants to lay out the story for me. And I'm going to use some of the keywords it's given to me for the AI art generator. I'm using Midjourney. You can use Firefly. You can use DALL-E 3, which you can use for free through Bing AI Chat, by the way, to create these kind of images. So we're going to start with that. So I'm going to start throwing different keywords in here. You can use the ones directly given to you from the tool that you've used, but I'm going to just expand it a little more. I want to make sure the keywords use the ones from ChatGPT, but add little things like cinematic, add things like the Niji 5 parameter, give it that anime vibe. I want to add different things like the city and just lay out a bit more of the environment. So in this case, we're going for a city surrounded by mountains, preferably snowy mountains. And if we go through one by one, making each of the individual photos, you can see them here on the screen that have come from Midjourney or your favorite tool. Next stage of this process is using a tool called Pika Labs, which you can access through Discord. There'll be a link in the description box if you want to give it a go. And Pika Labs basically is a free option to create and animate images to make AI videos. You can use a text prompt to create the video, or do in this process, give it an actual photo to animate. And there is a way to do that on Pika Labs using the animation feature. Basically, what I go through here now is a lot of experimentation. I put in the image that I've created on Midjourney or my other favorite AI art tool, and I add different ways. I want the camera to zoom in, I want it to rotate, I want it to zoom out, I want the motion to be quite high, I want it to be quite low. And before I know it, I'm already now producing different specific videos of those images that I have created. The next stage after that is opening up a tool such as Adobe Premiere. If you don't have Premiere and want to use a free tool, you can use Canva, you can use Adobe Express, you can use CapCut. And what you want to do now is put the videos all together in one, to create the story that we created from that storyboard at the very start of this process. And when that's done, you basically have the video that you have created from that storyboard. You have a city, morning town, waking up, ready for the day. And that is kind of the bare bones process and workflow for how to create an AI video. There's so many more ways that you can make this your own. By, there's things you can do like improving the prompt you gave the ChatGPT. You can improve the prompts you put into the AI art tools. You can use a different AI video tool such as Runway, which is even higher quality to produce even better looking stuff. So just keep that in mind. There's other ways to do this, but this is just the bare bones workflow that I use to create my AI videos. Hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know by leaving a comment, leaving a like. If you have any questions at all, comment down below and I'll be there to respond. Thank you all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.